Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Product Review Top 5. Harnessing the power of the sun is not only environmentally responsible, but also economically advantageous, and one of the most efficient ways to do so is through the use of solar panels. As renewable energy sources gain prominence in the global shift towards sustainability, choosing the right solar panel for your needs has become increasingly essential. With numerous options available, it can be a daunting task to select the best solar panel for your specific requirements. In this article, we'll explore the top 5 best solar panels on the market, considering factors such as efficiency, durability, and value for money. Whether you're a homeowner looking to reduce your energy bills or a business seeking to embrace clean energy solutions, our comprehensive guide will help you make an informed decision when it comes to investing in solar power. Number 5. BCTYN015 Solar Panel. With an impressive module efficiency of 19.1%, the BCTYN015 is incredibly efficient in converting sunlight into electricity. This means it can generate a substantial amount of power even when space is limited. I was pleased to find that this solar panel is customizable, which is a huge advantage. It allows for flexibility in installation and can be tailored to suit your specific needs. Despite its compact size, the BCTYN015 doesn't compromise on power. It provides a maximum power output of 20 watts, which is more than enough for charging small electronic devices or powering LED lights. The panel's dimensions 2,803,802.5 mm make it easy to fit in a variety of spaces. Its slim design is perfect for rooftop installations, camping, or any situation where space is at a premium. Number 4. TYN002 Solar Panel. Efficiency. With an impressive module efficiency of 19.1%, the TYN002 delivers outstanding performance, especially for its size. It efficiently converts sunlight into electricity, ensuring that you get the most out of your solar setup. The TYN002 is incredibly compact, measuring just 435 x 200 x 2.5 mm. This makes it perfect for various applications where space is limited. I was able to install it easily on my small rooftop, and it fits seamlessly without taking up much room. I appreciate the fact that this solar panel can be customized to suit your specific needs. The As Customized option allowed me to tailor it to my requirements, ensuring it would integrate seamlessly into my existing solar system. Number 3. FOXSUR 500W800LH Solar Panel. Efficiency. The most outstanding feature of this solar panel is its exceptional efficiency. With a module efficiency rating of 21.8%, it consistently converts a high percentage of sunlight into usable electricity. This means that you can generate more power even in less than ideal conditions, making it a reliable energy source for a wide range of applications. The 500W power rating is no joke. It provides a substantial amount of energy for both residential and commercial purposes. I've used it to power various appliances and charge batteries with remarkable success. It's a great choice if you're looking to reduce your electricity bills or have a backup power source in case of outages. The FOXSUR solar panel is well constructed with high-quality materials, particularly monocrystalline silicon. This material is known for its durability and long-lasting performance, which is essential for a product that's meant to be exposed to the elements. The panel's size at 4,202,802.5 is also quite manageable and fits well in various locations. Number 2. JINGYANGPV NMYPV 100 Solar Panel. The 19.1% module efficiency of this monocrystalline silicon solar panel is truly remarkable. With a maximum power output of 120 W, it is more than capable of meeting my energy needs. Even in less than optimal conditions, I found it to be efficient and reliable, delivering consistent power throughout the day. It has definitely helped me reduce my electricity bills and my carbon footprint. The JINGYANGPV NMYPV 100 comes in 2 sizes: 1165 mm 450 mm 30 mm and 1025 mm 670 mm 30 mm. I opted for the larger size, and it fits perfectly in my backyard. The panel's slim profile and lightweight design make it easy to install and reposition as needed. The flexibility of the solar panel allowed me to mount it on various surfaces, including the roof of my RV. Number 1. ALLPOWERS APSP033 BLA Solar Panel. The ALLPOWERS APSP033 BLA solar panel delivers an impressive 200 W of power, making it a reliable and efficient source of energy for a variety of applications. Whether you're camping, hiking, or just need a backup power source. This panel consistently delivers the power you need. I was particularly impressed with its ability to charge my devices rapidly, including smartphones, tablets, and even a portable power station. This solar panel is compact and foldable, which makes it easy to carry and store. The dimensions of 26.4 x 15.6 x 3.2 centimeters when folded are manageable, and it fits well in my backpack. The only minor downside is that it's not as lightweight as some other portable solar panels on the market, but the additional weight is a trade-off for its higher power output. Thanks for watching this video.